Blake and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys, right, Blake?
Yep.
What did we get?
We got sponges. We got some buckets.
Mm-hmm. What are we gonna do with it all?
A war.
A water fight?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so my boys love water balloons. They love them, but it's a pain in the butt. Like, it takes so long to fill them up, and then they're gone, and then you have to like pick up all the trash off the ground. So we got some Dollar Tree items to have a water fight using sponges. Let's see what we got. Okay, so what did we get? What's the first thing we got here?
First, we got
a red and blue bucket, didn't we?
Yeah.
Red and blue bucket, okay.
From the Dollar Tree.
From the Dollar Tree. And these are sandcastle buckets, but we thought they would be cool for the water. And they can like pour out.
Yeah.
And then what are these?
These are the sponges. We are going to split them in half, and that way they'll still be big, and that way when we throw them, like that way.
They still get a lot of water.
Yeah, they still got a lot of water.
Yeah, they'll be big though, won't they?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got those. All right, what else we get?
We got some other things.
Okay.
We got some of these like water balloon ball things.
We had those last year, didn't we?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So those will be fun to throw at each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we got some other ones at Walmart.
No, these are still the ones we got at the Dollar Tree.
Oh yeah. Really.
We'll show you what we got at Walmart too. But we got these all at the Dollar Tree, didn't we?
Yeah. Different colors and stuff.
Yeah. And then there's our buckets.
Yeah.
Okay. We don't want to lose our bags here. This is still from the Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got like a water frisbee thing, like a water disc.
That'll be fun, won't it?
Yeah. And we got these
What was that?
well,
Oh, he got another toy.
a toy.
Yeah, he got another gun.
And we got like this water balloon slingshot.
Yeah, water balloon slingshot. You can use it with the sponges and stuff too. We just, it came with some water balloons, but we really just bought it because it had the slingshot. We had saw some of these at Walmart, and they were like $6 or $7, weren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're a lot cheaper at the Dollar Tree. So we bought 2 of those.
Yep. 2 of these, maybe for my brother or our neighbor.
Mm-hmm. Is that it?
That's it.
He's looking because we did buy some doggy treats too, but that's not part of our water balloon stuff, is it? Okay. So, like I said, we did buy a few things at Walmart too, didn't we? So we wanted some extra colors.
We got blue.
Yeah, these were $1.88 at Walmart, where these are just $1 at the Dollar Tree. They're about the same size, I think. They look about the same size.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty close. So now we have some different colors. We thought that would be fun.
We got blue, they got orange, they got purple, they got green.
Mm-hmm. And then we did get a
colors.
package of these also at Walmart just because these were on sale for $1.50 and there was 4 of them, whereas the Dollar Tree are 2 for $1. So they only had 1 package and they were on clearance. So that's why we got this.
Yeah.
So, are you ready? We're gonna cut them.
Let's do this.
What do you think about that?
Pretty big.
Yeah, they are pretty big, aren't they? Okay, so I didn't bring my tripod on, but now I'm going to cut these in half just so they'll still be a really good size. Okay, we get them all ready?
Yep.
Yep.
Got everything unpackaged. Got everything. And we got everything ready to do our water balloon fight.
Oh, goodness. We might have gotten carried away with the sponges. We may have more sponges than we do bucket space. So we may have to use some 5-gallon buckets we have here, or not so many sponges. Either way, it's going to be fun. Neighbor's not home. Brother's not home. So we're just playing. How far can you fling it? Splat!